Thinking about using AutoDS but not sure if it's worth it as a beginner? Let's break it down. AutoDS is all-in-one dropshipping tool, so it lets you find products, import them, fulfill orders, and even automate price and stock changes. Sounds great, but there is a catch for new dropshippers. Yes, it saves time, but it's not free. The starter plan costs around $20 per month, and some features like automation credits or product research tools cost extra. So if you're testing drop shipping with, let's say, a tight budget, these costs can really add up fast before you even just get a sale. So you really gotta think about that part. Now, on the plus side, though, AutoDS supports multiple platforms like eBay, Facebook, and Amazon, not just Shopify. It also has a huge product database with pre-vetted items, which helps you if you don't want to spend hours on research. So, is it worth it? If you have got a bit of budget and want everything in one dashboard, yes, AutoDS can speed things up. But if you're bootstrapping or just testing the waters, you might really want to start with free tools like Deezers and upgrade later. If this helped, well, hit like and subscribe. And check my next video where I compare AutoDS with Deezers with real order demos.